All right. Keep using that word. A bunch of drinks.
Oh, this one's empty.
Water. See what we got going here. Never use this guy. It's a backline character.
Let's go.
I've swapped her. Oh, that's not a thing. I think I lost that one. Oh, no. Just barely.
Let's go.
Well. Oh. Hmm. Hmm. Probably screwed. Yep. Hmm.
At peace with yourself,
Sure.
you will be.
This one. I think that's the guy that I have. Oh, no, it's not. Nice.
I've got this space time on lock.
I was hanging out with friends yesterday and was it Saturday? But yesterday we went to a bunch of places, but one of them was board games, like D&D
I've got this space
store.
time on lock.
They had a nice big Go board for sale. I kind of sort of want to try to get better at that game. I was never good at it. Whoops. Okay, that made that totally useless.
They have it coming.
Let's put her back there. It does quite a bit. Anyways, Go, if you're unfamiliar, is kind of even older than chess, but it's a very historic board game, strategy game. You have their two 1v1. You have black stones, white stones, and then you have to capture the other ones by putting it in the cross sections of the grid on the board. Dark Star. Challenger. Just give her all this good stuff. This to that one. That was really nice. Anyways, I feel like that would be a game I would want to... I've never had an interest in chess, really. But Go is more interesting to me. But I've never been good at those type of games. Oh. This thing. 2 minutes. I'm gonna assume this is gonna take more than 2 minutes, unless I totally fail. Magic damage. Sure, we'll go with this one. Anyways, if I did try to do one of those gaming journey things, I feel like Go would be a good one. You know, like traditional strategy games, not other types. Basically chess, but not. I don't want to do chess, really. Should have leveled up. Oh well. Two of him. Put this one on the board. Oh. I mean, I probably wouldn't have won anyways, but I didn't help by not doing anything. Put this on the board. Yeah, sure. Pick this thing up. Wow, very slow. Give this to that one. Give this to that one, I guess. Do I have Victor? Yes. Who could I get rid of? He's Cynic as well. It's level 2. Man. I don't want to get rid of anything here. Oh well. Wow, I got wrecked. Fate Weaver.
The kill list never gets shorter.
Cool future armor at 100%.
It's level 1. It's level 2. What is he? Attack tank. Champion Nucleator.
Let's end.
Nice. Let's see. I could use this. Wait. No. Okay, that was much better. I don't know what that is. Attack fighter, yes. Let's take the glove and the sword. No. Big time.
They have it coming.
I can buy that again. It's a 3 cost. No. That one's okay. 1.5%. I don't know if that's worthwhile, but sure. No, I don't think I'm going to get level 3 of that one. This one... I thought she was on the board, but I guess not. Probably not worthwhile. I've got one of this. Let's level up. Sell that. Then put... Pike on the board? No, we'll put this one on the board for the moment. Pike's 2 costs.
Let's go.
Did I just sell one of those? Oh, Timebreaker. Maybe that one. It's a 2 cost. Oh, yeah.
I got this space time on lock.
I got 2 of those. Okay. I kind of want to leave that on the board now. It's 8 costs. That one's not great. Let's say I only have 2 Nova. Oh, it says 3. Okay. I get it. I need 5. Well, should probably swap this guy out for something.
Let's go.
I keep buying and selling that. Why is it not working? Sniper. Man, I got wrecked. High cost character. 30%. Sure. Take that one. I could do the full Nova thing. Striker selector.
I'm on the job.
Could swap those ones for the moment. Yeah, she's backline. Who could take? Okay. Back to that one. Acceleration 30%. But I think it's permanent to the spot. Yeah, allies in X.
Let's head back, amigos. It's break time.
Another one of that. Challenger. I think I have some challengers. Can I double it up? No. Who is fast? Let's give it to this guy. Man, just leave it in the back. 5 cost. Bastion. Will. Oof. Nice.
I've got this space time on lock.
Meeple. Meeple.
Make it quick.
Sure. Pike. Oh, he's not on the board? I guess not. Let's give that. And do I have any spare items? There's a sword. Do a Hextech gunblade. Sure. And that one's maxed out. I can give it to that one. Oh, we'll go all the way. Stick this guy on the board. There's 1 hex. That one's 2. 1400. 3000, 3000. It's level 2. Psionic. Well, Victor's a level 2. It's probably not worth trying to get level 3 mecha stuff. No. Do I want to keep these? That's a question. Maybe I should just look at the stats. I haven't even looked at it. Okay, yeah. Not surprised she's doing more damage. This one's, for all the stuff that I gave it, it's not doing much. What do? Forecast. Probably should swap that more expensive characters. Seems to be the, yeah, it's 5 cost. Level 2. Not great. Whip.
No more running.
Duelist.
You cannot hide from me. You cannot hide from me.
So you'd sell him and buy this. Replicator. Yeah, that didn't really do anything. Isn't that nice? Frontline. I don't know what that is.
All will know us in time.
Oh, too late. I did. Almost. I mean, do I just buy expensive characters?
Those fools
Le
underestimate
Blanc. That's that one. To that thing. Psionic. I think I sold it. Oh, yeah, all of them except for one.
Try again.
Who can I get rid of here? It's at 3 costs. Bye bye. 5 costs. Probably dead. Yep. Okay. Gonna deal with some laundry. So let me open up. Switch that for a second. And then Notepad. Where's Notepad? I've got a thing ready. It's kind of small because with Notepad you can't have different fonts for different documents, which is very basic and odd. But yeah, I'll be back. Yo. Alright. Let's do another one. Oh boy. Yeah, that's really useful. Flipping, amazing, beautiful interface. Beautiful interface.
I will follow this.
Set a new timer for my laundry stuff. Let's say 48 minutes. That's nice. Okay, stop showing me. Interesting first option. Meeple. I guess. Which one? Come on. I don't have any money. One cost. One cost. One cost. I guess it does not matter. Just want to take the arrow. Luck of the draw. Magic tank. Get out of here. No any non-meeple. No. Whatever. No. Rage Blade, sure. I probably need meeples. Let's see. Nope. Meeples. Okay, that was a waste. Who's gonna be my damage? Yeah, sure. This one. Do something. Probably should give it to this one. What is it? Oh, Magic Caster. Yeah. That did not work. Forcing me to get something that's not a meeple. How is that not a... Man, this is rough. I have no money. My special technique. of what the heck am I doing? What is that? Biomatter preserver. Actually holding out surprisingly well. Meatball time. Yeah, it would be cool if honorary meeple, I guess. Traitor to the cause. Give those to Timo. Magic tank. Actually worked. Is that another traitor to the cause? Is that considered a meeple?
At peace with yourself, you will be.
Do not want any of these. Just the thumbs up. That's not supposed to mean. Let's put this one in the middle. And then put these on Timo. I assume this takes a glove. Yeah. Give that come on. Magic tank. Conduit. Get out of here. Is this honorary meeple? The animals. Nothing. Zip. Things that I already have. Summon the 4 Meep Lords. I'm curious what that means. Do you need the emblem to get it though? Probably need the emblem. Hmm. I still don't have any. Nice, finally. Actually, it's frontline. Finally, another meeple. of items does it take? Shark technique? Meep bait. That sounds a little different. Oh, look at those. Get out of here, you generic character. It's not a meeple. The glove and the thing that I don't have. So I'm going to put that on this one. Ooh. Sure. It's him. Or it, whatever it is. There's another one that we can put in the crew. These are duplicates. Look at that. Sniper. Nar. Prismatic. So what I want is thing that I don't see. Hands of Justice. No. Sure, we'll try whatever that is. Oops. No, no. What is this thing? No. Is that a meeple? Yeah, okay. It was an experiment. Because I don't want to think much. Is that? I run out of space. Oh my goodness. Actually worked. We need to get that one more items. Let's take the... Nope. Swap. It's a dog in a robot, humanoid robot suit. Oh, it didn't last long. All the meeps. Yes. Gotta get a meeple. This is already level 2. I'm gonna get this one on the board. Why is that flashing at me? Do I have to click on it? Nice. Get to this one. Give it that. Big. Look at that gigantic. Oh, that's good. Look at him slash on the... Whoops. That's really good. And I took a screenshot. So I can use that in thumbnails. Look at that. It's not lasting very long. It's a 9 cost. Level 3 9 cost. Look at that. Smashing at the keys and stuff. Pressing all the buttons. That's really good. Sure, I'll put another one on the board. It's quite the avatar. Look at that. I can get more items for this one. That's not even one of the items it's supposed to have recommended. Oh well. Could use the reforger thing. Meeple. Timo. Maybe I should share. Sharing is caring. Oh, too late. Attack specialist. Oh, that takes both of them. Yeah, I should swap those. Bro. Sure. Yeah, okay. This one. This. Pick up these items, please. I don't know what I need at the moment. This is a very attack type. Where's, dang it. Does this have a red buff? Yeah. I'm gonna give that one some items. Oh, too late. So I'm gonna put these two on that one. I'm going too slow here. There. This one. You take Nashor's tooth, or are you getting it? Come on. Actually, just Timo take it. There we go. I'm just gonna load up on that type of stuff. It's probably not much of what it should have, but or anything that it's recommended, except for that one. Stats are stats. Got nothing on my back ends that is new. Meeple. Meeple. Nope. Nope. This one is probably skilled. Look how high their HP is. I also saw them checking out the board at times. I think they're preventing me from getting this. One of the people. Yeah, that was not close. Mine is too one-dimensional. But I'm doing it for the lols. Magic damage. Sure. I do not see a meepo in here. Again, no meeples. This is magic damage one. This one. We give them a speed increase as well. Nothing. Yeah, they're all preventing me from getting that character. Stupid. Doesn't last long. But I don't have the ideal items on it. Nice. Lock in. It's probably dumb. I'll take it though. Mr. Yi. That's not a meeple. That is a meeple. Oh yeah, we finally got one. Finally gotten something new. Look at that. Team config. Oh, duh. Almost missed it. Nova Kindred. I'd rather have money. Because that is not my crew. Where's Poppy? See if there's anything that I can swap. Nope. Well, basically, they're probably the same thingamajigs.
I'll give you the easy way out.
Sure. Money. Oh, this will... That's the bramble. Oh, it's a little different. Yes. Nope, 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 nope. This? Nope, 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 nope. Nope, nope, nope. This? Nope, 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 nope. Yeah, I think I need an emblem. I should save one of those. And a spatula and a... shield thing. Well, I'm dead. So my meeple crew does not work against whatever this thing is. The crew, whoops, leave that there. Nope, 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 nope. Next, this. We do want this. We want that. And swap these. And put this onto that one. Oh wait, why is this green? Huh? What is this? Don't know what that means. Sorry, Timo. I don't know what that does or means. Nice. Okay, what is going on? I don't know what that is, but I'll buy it. Actually, I'd rather have the Dark Lady. Ah, man.
Make it quick.
I can do that too. I'm gonna do this one. Wait, does that have a, does that take a, well, we can do a swap, I guess. That appeared to work pretty well for them. I think I need to level up more than anything. Come on. Nice. Aren't they attacking? That's weird. Hmm. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. Nope. I'm just gonna roll to nothingness. I don't want those. I want meeples. Probably should have leveled up instead. put the Dark Lady in. It's probably something that would be a better match, but who knows? Level 2. Don't want to sell too much here. That one's level 1. Well, okay, that's big. Need another one of those. Bard. Do I have space? I need this one on the board. That was level 2. I don't think I'm gonna manage that. I don't know what this does. I'm gonna leave it there. Oh. I will survive one round at least. Okay. What to do? No. Yes. Okay, did that even accomplish anything? I don't think it did. Really? Oh well. I don't know what this green box does, but hey. Yep. My one-dimensional play did not work against them. I'll take it though. Oh boy. I had 2 additional characters. Do they have a special item or something to do that? Maybe there's a character that does that? I don't know. I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna do some programming stuff. If you want to call it that these days. It's more like something else. Software. Done. I don't know, should I think it's late enough. I'm not going to bother swapping my YouTube channel. Change. I'm just gonna leave the thumbnail as is. Go into science and technology. There we go. Who is this? The insider build. So with this version of the Visual Studio, you can integrate your own Copilot thing locally. So I do that. It might mess up my stream, but now it's running that model. Let's see how much VRAM I'm using. No, it hasn't spooled up yet. Doesn't look like. Yeah. So I don't need that for the moment. Things that I am working on is this, which integrates into my video editor. What is this thing on the bottom? I don't know what that blue line means. However, let me just zoom in on this. So, I don't think I have a chat thing that is ready to work on this more. Whoops. Yep. So I've been using Gemini Pro 3.1 or Gemini 3.1 Pro with our AI Studio thing to do most of it. But on the free tier, it's been a hassle dealing with their free tier. It hits limits pretty often. Laundry is 10 minutes. What time is it? 7:40. It's getting kind of late. Probably shouldn't put any more loads in. Trying to think. If I have any documents that cover the design on hand. Let's see. Might have swapped them. Yeah, that's not. Switch to here for a second. I've switched through so many of these chat things that I don't even have a good development document. Oh, here's one. Maybe. I don't know how old it is. Here's another one. Yeah, this one's probably pretty good. File new. This font is really big. Like I said, with this, I made it big for that, but it just feels too big. Where is the font thing? I could try 16. It's a little bit better. I copied the wrong one. Semantic. Phase 3. Maybe not. Maybe something else. This part is not needed. Let's see what's in here. So this is generic Vegas Pro API stuff, which is the video editor. I've had some issues with getting a certain type of script thing working, but it does work now. I was thinking about making an open source sort of document and project that could help people and also help AI with context. So that's the textual part, but stuff down here is actually copied from a script ideas thing. I haven't looked at these in a long time. I did do this one. I haven't done that. I went to Hot Pot yesterday with friends. I ate quite a bit and also had really spicy soup. And my stomach, not stomach, but bowels have been complaining all day. I would assume it's going through me pretty quick, but hasn't happened yet. I mean, it tasted pretty good. I should have gone with what my friend was saying, that I probably shouldn't have bothered with the really spicy soup like they got. Because it tasted okay and it was fine, but it felt like it wasn't hot enough that it made any difference to me, like spice wise, but the flavor of it with the spice, the type of spice, just didn't taste that great to me. So it's like sometimes when you get heat, but then it doesn't actually taste good. That was kind of the direction it was going, but it was okay. So I probably should have looked at the soups in more detail instead of just getting the same ones that they got. But yeah, they had a lot of. I mean, I have some photos on one of my social media things. Let's see. I I'm I'm trying to think of a word. I can't even look at it on here without being logged in. That's irritating. Might have it on another one. Some of these social media websites are really stupid in some ways. And they know what they're doing to be irritating. Whoops. Open image in new tab. So there's one. So we all had an individual pot, which was odd to me because the only times that I've been to hot pot, it was one in the middle, which is more of a communal experience. But I mean, this is like the American, go solo experience, which is fine. Also, one of the people has dietary restrictions, so it's probably better this way. Here's another. I should have tried more of the mushrooms. But yeah, those were good. And also got tofu and fish cake, which they gave me a lot of those for some reason, even though I had just ordered one serving of each one. So I was eating a lot of those. And kind of a spicy plant of some sort. I don't remember what it was called. Was it watercress something? I'm not sure. It was alright. I should have got more vegetables too. Then some beef and other things. And then I tried some of their stuff that they were not gonna finish. Yeah, it was nice. And it was a lunch special thing, so even with the tip, which I'd picked the middle tier of tip, I don't even remember what percentage it was. I think it was $26 around that, which isn't terrible for what, the experience that you get. And it's basically unlimited. So that was cool. It was in Wisconsin. Some city I don't remember the name of. Let's see, these are... I think I did something for this a little bit. I'm trying to move in this direction, but I don't have the local compute to potentially make it work properly. We'll see though. All right. Oh, I should probably deal with this again. Yeah, I'll be back on shortly. What time is it? 7:40? Yeah, I can keep going a little bit. So we got this. Let's see. I need to give it some other document, I guess. Could be this. Let's see. This is usable. Huh? Oh. It's gonna have to read that wide. That's already long done. Let's get rid of that. I mean, it's not necessarily. Legacy. Whoops. This is not. This is kind of like mixed between what was the starting point to the middle point and what it is currently. Programmatic. Yeah, this is missing stuff. Contains the orchestrators, manager. Custom C# scripts run directly inside Vegas Pro. I think this is an old. I think I'm editing an old document. Dang it. Yeah, that was changed. Question is where. Whoops. Delete all of this. Let's put this one in here. Why is this in here? I don't know. Yeah, this is different. Let's take that. Actually, let's take this. I should have done it in Markdown language. I don't know the format. I don't know how it. I'm gonna assume those are maybe a list. Probably just use this one instead of the other one. Don't think I need that. This one we can get rid of. Summary, technology stack. So pounds are headings in Markdown language. Paragraphs are just blocks of text. Let's see where a list is. List. numbered list. That's ordered list. Okay. It's a double. I mean, it's not a double. So I don't know what. Okay, that's probably bold. It's a single. Okay, that's bold. I would assume. And this should be a single asterisk for unordered lists. You use plus or minus as well. I guess spaces plus a minus can add an indent. It's kind of a weird choice though. Block quote with a greater than symbol. There's code blocks. Dashboard, core logic, shared IO. And I can go like that for a block quote. And I go like that. These see how headings work here. Oh, okay. The number of them is the. So I should put a 2. 1, 2. Not sure why that started at 1. This might be a different file. Yeah, different file. So 6. Let's see. Did I? Yeah, this is exciting. Yeah, I should do a whole management thing too. I have no clue where that was, if I even saved it. Oh man, there's so much in here. I don't know what that means. Getting kind of tired. strict core architecture. Why not just do it like this? Hmm. And before formatted video file is in the, it's just a random example. My recorder folder, then well, I'm gonna end stream for now. I think I need to move around or something. I might eat a donut or something. Yeah, I think this is good. I just need to work on this and just like verify that it's as correct as possible. And then I'll use this to further the current projects. So I guess I could show a quick example. So this is going to be the dashboard. This is the main backend application. I have a list of different projects that I've started in some form or fashion. Mostly video recordings. If I went to a convention, type of thing. So this one was a stream on keycaps, which I have right here on this keyboard. And I still haven't made a video out of it, besides the stream. So, and the first project properties thing, if you want to, you can define what formats you might want to do. So in this case, standard video. I probably would do a short, I probably would do a reel, TikTok video. Let's just say not a Facebook. I probably would do a website article. Cost of the I got them at Best Buy. I don't remember how much they cost. But obviously I'm using them for more than just business, so it probably wouldn't apply. Hmm. So you save that. See that change the console. This is fully functional as far as I know. Minimize pop out. Console window, which is cool. Close it, shows back up. Again, we can minimize it. And then we've got transcription. And we can look through here to see what we've got. So I think those are a little too small. But here we can see some of them have transcriptions already. So that one's got a transcription. That's the one I've been testing with mostly. If we want to do to this, we can check box it and then decide any additional caption data to make. And then here, specifications on the model to use to transcribe it. This uses the Whisper API, but it also uses a side project, like an offshoot of it, called Whisper Timestamped, so that each individual word, you can get a timestamp for each word, because the Whisper API isn't that exact. And for doing any type of video editing, I need that level of accuracy. Yeah. So that's what that is. And then the only thing here we have at the moment, we as in me, as in me and the AI. It lists media files. I think I'm going to have this changed. And then you can run this calculation thing to make another sidecar file in JSON, JSON, which is basically a structured text file. But it uses less characters than XML, which is similar. XML is similar to HTML and how it looks. It uses the less than and greater than symbols, the slash. But JSON is more like C languages with the curly braces to structure the data. So if I wanted to do that on one of these, I could click it. And then, you know, that's it for now. But I want to work on this, make all of those things and make sure that they work properly and they're actually useful. I do have a list of different ideas for auto editing. Transcription thing's basically okay for the moment, I think. I don't think that button really does. I think it just selects everything in this box if there's more than one thing. So it's not super useful. Yeah. Yeah. Anyways, there's one. And then the other thing runs in the video editor. I'm not going to bother showing it off at the moment. It does work, though. Yeah. Peace. See ya. And out.